How will you apply for SX1 Visa? Today, I will let you know the process for applying for SX1 Visa Canada Step-by-Step. The SX1 Visa application for Canada involves several critical steps that you must meticulously navigate to ensure a successful result. Obtain an acceptance letter. You must secure an official acceptance letter from a certified Canadian educational institution offering your desired short-term program. This letter is a vital prerequisite for your SX1 Visa application. Gather necessary documents. You must collect essential documents, including a valid passport, proof of acceptance, financial records, health insurance proof, police clearance certificate, and passport-sized photographs. Complete application forms. You must then fill out and sign application forms available on the Immigration, Refugees, and Citizenship Canada (IRCC) website. Pay application fee. You will be then asked to submit your application fee online or through specified payment methods provided by IRCC. Submit the application. You can send your application digitally via the IRCC website or designated application channels. Wait for processing. You need to patiently wait for your SX1 Visa application's approval, with processing times varying. Confirm biometrics test. Depending on your nationality, you may need to provide biometric information at a Visa Application Center, VAC, or a designated location. Wait for approval and passport return. Once your application is processed, you will receive an SX1 Visa decision, and if approved, your passport with the attached visa. Thank you.